Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today we are going to fix the Spotify login window not opening up. So when you go to click this login, it does not open up another tab like this. This does not happen. So to fix this, we're going to go back, make sure we're logged out of Spotify, quit Spotify, and the first thing we want to do is go to background apps. So type that into the Windows search bar, open that up, and if this is already turned on, I want you to turn it off. And if it's off, just leave it off, right? And the next thing we want to do is we want to make our browser. So go to default web browser. We want to make sure that our browser is the same as the one that we want to use for Spotify. So make sure you go and pick a browser manually. So if you like Google Chrome, select Google Chrome. If you already are on the one you want, go ahead and hit this reset to the Microsoft recommended defaults. It'll just do this real quick. It'll definitely put you on Edge, and then you can go back and change whatever you want. So I want to do Chrome. Once we do that, we can close that and restart our computer. Okay? So I'm not going to do that, but once we've restarted our computer, we're going to go back to the background apps, open it up, and we're going to re-enable this. Make sure it's on for Spotify. Actually, there might not be a Spotify option. If you have Spotify as an actual app, it will show up here. So make sure that's on if you have it. Close that. Open Spotify up again, and try to log in, and it should work now. Continue to the app, and boom. Anyways, guys, if this video helped you today, you know what to do. Drop a like, leave a comment. Peace.